Hi, in front of me is Motorola Moto G9 Power, and today I would like to show you where you can find all text correction options on this device. Start by opening Settings, then scroll all the way down, click on System and choose Languages and Input. Now Virtual Keyboard that you're currently using, in my case Gboard, and Text Correction. All text correction settings are over here. If you want to enable or disable one of these options, just tap on the switcher next to it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!